We are happy to announce our new solution, Warehouse 360. At ProGlove, we always put people first for a safe, healthy and hyper-efficient workplace. We built the best in-class wearable barcode scanner for the frontline workforce. But it is actually more than a scanner. This device can make pictures, detect human motions and provide location data. So how can your decision makers turn this data into more efficiency, health and safety for your warehouse and workforce? How can they create actionable insights from this data? Warehouse 360 makes it possible. Data from your wearables and other devices from your shop floor is collected and enriched with data from your warehouse management system. With an additional intelligence and visualization layer, Warehouse 360 ensures that your decision makers get easy views and KPIs to identify actionable improvements.
Let's take a deeper look into the core functions of Warehouse 360. Warehouse KPIs and workload visibility is a set of superior KPIs enabling you to compare actual and desired performance through continuous and privacy-compliant time and motion studies. Create an overview about your processes like picking, replenishment or packing. Understand the activity execution cost structure and motion profile in terms of time spent for traveling and handling activities. Is your handling and picking time too high? What is the impact on productivity when having both hands free? How does a wearable display make your processes faster and easier? Create transparency of your work and labor scheduling, as it helps you to avoid over- and underutilization without the need of an additional workforce management system. Workflow visibility is process mining made easy. Check for workflow compliance. How good is your workforce sticking to defined processes? Identify outliers and their root causes in operations executions. Detect congestions of workforce and vehicles and get visibility into optimal working paths. But let's say you have optimized your process with wearable barcode scanning, optimal schedules for your workforce, and continuous performance monitoring and process mining. What else can you do to reduce costs and increase ergonomics? How can you further reduce the traveling and waiting time of your workforce and increase health and safety? The answer is layout visibility. With layout visibility, you can easily perform an ABC analysis on your layout at any time with real-time data. This way, you can reduce the costs of your operations through improved and optimized space utilization, item placement, and packing methods. Where should you place a high and low runner in your layout? How to place my items so that they are positioned ergonomically for my workforce? Layout visibility has the answer.
So how does it work? First, the data from the wearables is sent via Bluetooth Low Energy to our connectivity devices. From there, data is sent to our servers hosted in Europe. At the same time, Insight can be connected with other systems like MDMs, WMSs or ERPs. This way, device owners, supervisors, process planners and decision makers can use a single tool to manage device fleets, avoid the loss of devices and get visibility into the performance of their warehouse. All of that in real time. Our solution is API first, and our data and functions could be integrated into your highly customized IT landscape. Sounds like a large IT project? It is not. In order to get Warehouse 360 running, you can start with minimal involvement of your IT. All we need is a filled process questionnaire, a couple of exports from your WMS, and a layout of your shop floor with suitable data quality. This will take 1 to 2 weeks and we can already start optimizing.